Currently, robots are playing an increasingly important role in society. As a pioneer and trailblazer of the new generation of intelligent mobile robots in China, Reeman Robotics has taken the initiative to shoulder social responsibility by leading the way in opening up a free robot learning center. This allows more young people to start learning about robot-related knowledge from an early age, which not only helps to cultivate their interest and passion for technology, but also enhances their technological literacy. This is of great significance to the development of the robotics industry and society as a whole. The establishment of the Reeman Robotics Learning Center provides young people with an opportunity to practice operating robots, helping them to better learn and understand robot-related knowledge, and laying a solid foundation for the cultivation of robotic talent in society. This is a strategic move with significant and far-reaching impact. At the same time, the Reeman Robotics Learning Center offers a variety of robot technology training courses to meet the needs of different groups, including training in robot programming, motion control, and intelligent applications. These courses help learners understand the basic structure of robots, programming techniques, and practical operation, thereby mastering the basic skills and application techniques of robots. The establishment of the Reeman Robotics Learning Center can help raise awareness and application levels of robot technology in society, further promoting the development and innovation of robot technology, and injecting new vitality into the future development of artificial intelligence technology.